Good day, dear students. Today we have lab number 2 from the lesson number 8. So we have a topic adding a new class to our projects. Here is some explanation for you to understand why we have to add the classes, new classes, user classes. As the complexity of the project increases, it becomes necessary to add a new class to store methods there. Creating a new class can be organized within the same CS file after the code of the main class. Calling the methods has to be organized inside the main function. So what we have to do in this lab? We have to add a new class named myfuncs to a project of a new solution. And we have to move a method print symbol to this class. So we have this print symbol method inside lab number 1 of this lesson number 8. We have done this print symbol method. So let's open the previous lab, lab number 1. So I have it here, lab number 1, lesson number 8. So we have this program here, this project, which printed out some symbols, 10 symbols, entered symbols into the console window. So we need to copy this print symbol method and to paste it to a new solution, to create a new project and to paste it there. But first let's copy it and paste it for a while to the text, just to some file. Okay, we have it here. Now we have to create a new project, as always. File, new project, console application, and then we have to copy the name of our lesson and lab. We have it here. Solution name has the same name. Okay. Yes. Okay. So now we can paste this piece of code to this project. It is method, so we have to print it, to type it after our void main method. So let's do it. Okay, now let's consider that every application has building blocks called classes. So there can be many classes in every application. Classes can be related. So related classes we have to put inside one namespace. So the namespace is the container for the related classes. In this program, in this lab, we are to add new class named myfuncs. We have to add it into this project. So let's start with this task. We have a task. By the way, we have to rename our program CS. Let's do it also. Let's copy without CS. It is better because we have it there. Rename and paste it here. Yes. So look here, we have a class name as the program, our CS file has the name. This is the solution. Solution is created when we create the project at the same time. It has the same names, but solution has an extension of the file sln, and project has the extension of the file csproj. If we open our project, we can see that this file is a solution file. Solution can have many projects inside of it. if we have a big application, some very big application, some very big task, we can add a new project to it. So now we have only one project inside it, but we can see that this file, this project file, has this extension csproj, this file. But usually we need to upload only this file, cs file. Cs file, it is with an extension cs. Don't forget, upload only this file. Okay, so we have a container for our related classes with the namespace lesson 8 lab 2. Here we can see only one class by default, and we are to add a new class. So this class, we see curly brace, open curly brace, and this one is closing curly brace for class 8 lab 2. So after this closing curly brace, we are to add our new class with the name myfuncs. We have it in our task, in our lab, myfuncs. So let's do it. Just put the keyword class, then the name of our class myfuncs, and open curly braces for our class. Inside this class, we have to place the code of our method, which we have it here. The code we have it here. So let's copy it and let's paste it. We see that we have here the keyword static. To make this class accessible within all the namespaces of the project, let's put before this static keyword public keyword. Public keyword means to make the method accessible in all the project's classes and namespaces. Public static. Okay, now we have not here, but inside this class, we have our own method, and we need to call it from within our main method. Let's do it, but first we have to prompt the user input a symbol. So let's do it. CV double tap. Please input a symbol. Please input a symbol. Then we have to input the symbol and store it inside some variable, symbol int, symbol int. We had it also in our previous lab 1 equals to parse. We have to parse it, parse, and console read line. Okay, now we have a symbol. We can pass it into this method. We have one parameter here, so it will be instead of this parameter. So we can call it, and now we can call it using this class, because we need to call the method which is inside another class. We have one class and we have another class, so we need to access our method using this myfuncs class, because they are different classes. So let's copy this name of the class, then we have to put dot, and then we have to call our print symbol method, and to pass this argument. Copy this argument. Okay, and now we can try our program. So we have two classes. We have added a new class, our own user class. We call it myfuncs, and we pasted here our method which prints out some symbols entered by user into the to the console window. So let's try to run this program. Control F5. Please input a symbol. Let's make it 4. Oh, one more time. 4. Okay, and we have 10 numbers 4 in our output window. Okay, we have done this lab. Good luck.